I saw these saw cuts in this floor, so I decided to kind of show a little demonstration on how you don't cut concrete. Okay, so whoever did this, they saw cut to right there. So they have this line going this way and this one going right here, and it tees. This needs cut right here. It hasn't cracked yet, but it will eventually. If it gets any kind of pressure, it will crack. And they did the other one, they just shifted it over about 30 inches it looks like, and then just ran another saw cut. So you got two saw cuts. You got one right there and the other one right there, and it's probably gonna crack on an angle like this over to that other line. So the best way to do it is to line up that saw cut so it would come clear over here. And then they did it right here. They lined this one up, but it's most likely gonna have a 45-degree angle stress crack right there. They did the same thing over here. Oh, this one did crack. See that? It cracked right there, right off of that T. And it didn't do it on a 45, but it's kind of going on an angle over toward the other saw cut. So that's a little further away to the next saw cut, so it's just trying to find its way for the release. So if you're ever saw cutting a slab, make sure you run your joints continuous through. For that very reason, it'll crack it on an angle.